Equinox Télévision, au-delà de l'image, nous rendons compte.
Good afternoon for outside the country people them. Plenty glad for me to put for this side so for Equinox Story House. Chapter 2 for Tori. This afternoon we go take una enter from Banga for Mungo Division. Tori where the enter we EM, it tell we say Okada people them for Sika Vex. They don't chakara some woman in house for that side so from Banga where they believe. Say the woman, it used to buy thief Okada them. Tori for this Okada them, it starts since on Monday after waiting people they try for kill one Okada man for thief Okada. Last that Okada man, he can die now for inside Lakentini Hospital. We go to talk that chapter this afternoon. We go take una to enter for Boya. With the years say work people them for Boya Council themselves. They don't start work for Vex today. They say council, they owe them 9 months salary. They talk say salary now since time we late Ekema Patrick. If she done like mayor, so they enter for this new man where he dey from top chair. Now so say inside Tori for this afternoon country people them. We go take una enter for inside place where they call them same top. Kenemo Michael Ate, when a divisional officer says he don't desensitize a people them for palava say picking them. They must to turn back for school when October moon he come. He says he be meet up with the population for that side. Sabi say as well the talk just now. Oga Ebune Confiance, Chief for Cabinet inside Prime Minister office under BB Commandia from Chief Dr. Joseph Diongute. He dey for roads for Moyoka just now for talk Asia for family for comfort where they cut their bikini neck inside the week. All this story them plus corona we go bring them. We get even one newspaper where it dey for week before. This afternoon, big patok editor we say waiting, big patok for this afternoon. They try for Tori say waiting. You know fit wait person where you know get teeth for mop. You know fit pass different man where he get it time for talk. But Sabi say time for chop. Now that already Sabi they use for person where you know get it for mop. With the talk say waiting. Say you know fit pass man. I say you go fit. For Sabi person, na time where he did chop a day. For sake as a man, where you no get it from up. If he talk past plenty, person where he no get it. But when a time for chop, he don't reach. Now that time, you go take Sabi say person where no be get it from up. He says he take nas champion for chop. Big patok, he come out. Now for Mokundu Zaks, he did she done for Boya. We return back small time. Yes, as so talk big part talk for this afternoon. It tell we say waiting. You fit pass man where you no get teeth for mop for talk, but you know fit pass time we chop a day. It means say you where you get teeth. If you pass different person where you no get teeth when una the talk, but time for chop. That man where you no get teeth for mop, na he go sabi. That time say even as we teeth in no day if it for chop plenty. Now Tori for this afternoon country people them we go start now for inside Boya Council country people them as well na the Siam na some work people them that way they dey for dom up for Boya Council for Boya side this morning time the Vex where the people they talk na say council they owe them 9 months salary country people them say council they owe them 9 months salary. They say since time where Oga Ekema Patrick every day for on top chair na sote that time wait till now no nothing he never show for them so now for sika why that this afternoon them say they come out she done for them up for Boya Council for talk say they so they get for look as well they get for do thing them for them anyhow they be the time Oga mayor late mayor way go for sika say be the even make them say may they put up on top their table but just now as so the talk way you know they them again as well them say they she done for them up for cry on top chapter for money where it show say they owe them so 9 moon according to Tori where he enter for inside we EM nothing that way pass for inside Boya Council this morning time. We go take una talk on our waka for vex this afternoon. This time around, it concern a syndicate for taxi driver them wey Oga Simeon Patrice sef. He be the head boy for this syndicate wey normal. They begin for start for make waka for vex on Monday, and Sabi sef say they be one block road for that side, so for Mesasi as we tori enter for we ear. But police people then come, they come comot them for game. But on top that one, e no stop them as we some of the people there they dey for back. As Oga Patrice they continue their waka for vex na for their own head office. Their big cry na this taxi man wey dey so for sick as say he park a taxi for our workplace or inside Douala here. Police people or some policeman he knack the taxi man so he go for coma. Last he die for inside hospital wey he dey for chain. As we Oga Patrice be the talk, he be the try for talk. They no get no problem with police people them according to wetin the talk, but their problem na say he dey so he the talk na from Kunkuma direct say e dey like say e own governor people them they no want talk with he. So he the prayer say ye like Kunkuma Bema wey the look out all country, he go try for look inside the cry say taxi people them they dey suffer them over for inside country wey just now anything wey wan happen na only taxi man e dey hear back. Na for sika why that way them say they be turn up for make waka for vex and they be call am. But Sabi say last even for inside Douala here, Jamie e be there for all corner wey they be check say taxi driver them they go fit for vex for that side. So for Yawende na only Oga Patrice Semen and some of the people them where they be make this waka for vex on top chapter say they know the local taxi people them in the proper. Sabi say last as we to re-enter for we EM they be talk for this taxi people then say me they turn back to their normal work as we town for Yawende. It be so continue for waka like say no nothing it no be the pass as we plenty of the other taxi driver them they be there for inside work for find their small garden them. One of we strong number them this afternoon. I tell you say na the tori wey start from Banga on Monday. When I see them na Okada people there they cry number 027 na their Okada man wey in the show say na thief people there wey they catch it they be one thief Okada then he holla then they cut it, but the way they cut it as we holla then other people they say they be the come the thief people them they run levy plus the Okada they run go. This Okada people then just now they bring that a man where their Okada man where thief man be one catch him they bring him for take him first go for Mon Coupe or Mon they call him say hospital for Mon Maninguba as we they call the place for that hospital as we to re-enter for we here they talk say they no be fit for look out the case for that Okada man na so too they bring it for inside Douala here. This morning time that Okada man die and Sabi say yesterday this Okada people they be there for before DO office from Banga for late complain and for talk see where it don't happen on top the Okada person, but last it show like say they no be get no better answer as so they be the wait for year wait till it go pass on top that their combi where they bring them for Douala here. Sabi say last as well talk that their combi he die. This one na part one for that story where he start and he continue today for inside Banga, but as of yesterday where the one he pass will be don't finish block story for now we be also left one of the Okada man for try for Tewi waiting where he pass where all them they be gather so for road so they go for Oga DOE office.
They for Jimba because I say motor with some boy them for the on work them to make a for Okada on for aggressive people. We don't can see to prepare for say if I'm say the order Senjika for the which that Senjika from for them boy don't triangulate some boy for night to one cut his deck. Then boy then don't bring it for hospital Mon Coupe for Njombe. Then reach for the hospital Mon Coupe then don't say enough fit then don't bring it for like Chile for Douala. Yes, no problem waiting for dang or was fit today for ration 500,000 for cure that boy.
Yes, and after we they ask that money for place where they call them say Mon Coupe, now there was hospital name that for site for inside Banga Mongo division site. The Sabi say there was hospital say no be fit for look at the case. So Okada man he become for Lakentini for Douala here. Last he die. Make we hear Mami for that Okada man too. He try for explain with 2 pass.
I want to visit them. See no took ganja. Papa, took a boya. That became the Bokati. Tutu come from ganja. You know, King Ganja, go for you. We no go bang for you. nanga ja no talk si mama na ma kumi no crime so you no talk say go la fi atuti me ba say we no keep on difference and that for them they took it papa.
And as so talk for now, after where the Tory enter for Okada people them here, this morning time, say they so that their combi, it has died for inside Douala here. Make una see to happen from Banga, as so the talk so for this side. Banga, it is hot for Sika say Okada people them for that side. Them say they don't provoke on top Tory way enter for their ear. First place where they go, now for the woman where they check say they blame say another woman, it keep Okada them, they come chakada them woman in house. As soon as they see now this Okada people then say they broke this house. And as soon as they broke the house, country people then we hear say they come out at least 7 Okada them where it shows say the woman he don't buy the Okada them keep them for inside house. Now police them and gendarme them say from Banga where they come before it they so they even come cold hard for this Okada people them where they be planned for even burn the house. But just for sabi time where they enter for inside this place, time where they go for the woman in house, where they hear say the woman says in no day town, the woman don't go for Yawinde as we Tory enter for we here. But the Okada people them before police and gendarme they one come where they be already broke chakada the woman in house, and inside the house they talk say they come out 7 Okada them where it show say now Okada the way they don't need buy them hide them for inside the way it show say the woman it encourage thief people them for go thief Okada them, then they come sell them for you. So just now gendarme police it there for all corner for that side. So from Banga now for inside Mongo division and sabi say na vex for Okada people them say their combi it don't die, and a person where they suspect say he come for can thief the Okada. Now some woman it be the keeper, maybe the hide them as well the thief Okada them they come sell them for you. So as well the talk just now serious security trouble, serious security palava it dey so from Banga with the ESF say the Okada people them as well the talk they don't left place with the chakara, they don't turn back again for DOE office, and with the here say from DOE office they go turn back again for Q2, continue for find the people there they suspect them say na them they the thief Okada people them and kill them inside Banga for Mongo division. Now una go see self the population if forget palava for corona all man it dey even masks they no wear them face mask for cover their nose, even the security people then say you go see them say no be na all man he get his own face mask for his skin. So all man he dey for inside the pot soup say they don't forget say they get for cover their nose and their mop for sicker this secret they call them corona for inside Banga Mongo division. Make we hear wait to some man say we'll catch him as we place in the hot this afternoon. A talk for we for that side so from Banga.
What you already see, I'm not ready to happen and accident where it don't happen. You call an accident. They don't press man in neck for you see yesterday night. So they want to see the bike. So it people then come out, they recognize you very, very well. So the boys them run, lift the boy. As the one cutting it, they don't cut and find. So they carry it as they make the run go for hospital, for monk to pay. The one is from monk to pay, they say the case is a bit too dangerous. They rush me for Douala for that night. Now the money turn out they come now so the boy don't die. All nation people don't crazy from Banga. They don't come back and say make them run, can't burn the woman house. But they come to the woman house, they discover say bike and they will bike them. They're more than 7 when they come to the house. So the woman know they don't go Yaoundé. When they say don't go Yaoundé, they know they. So police they and then they try to pull the situation. The boy then come and come burn the house. They don't burn them. So now from a town from Banga, we may a day for this to happen. If I never there, but sometimes I didn't live there. I don't come. I did asleep in a year. So all this things that happen when I did here. So the boy don't die, they will continue. They let them, the authorities them. They let them blame them. But they don't code the situation. Because any man, they only takes now popular boy or man. So we'll be very, very sorry for what will happen.
Yes, now one of the people them that will be meet up hot as waiting the be happen from Banga for Mongo division. By morning time, we go put on up to date for till they happen. Sabi Sepsef here, he be there for office for Minister Joseph Lay, when I be Minister for Public Service and Administrative Reforms inside we country, as well as Sabi, and after we they talk, say they see something or they hear something, where it make like bomb, where be there for number 2 floor for inside Joseph Lay Lay office. Confusion e be happen for there as we all work people dem dey run comot inside office enter for Sosongo. Plenty people dey ask am if Oga Joseph Lay office e for dey like for place wey dey call am say travelers. E mean say the work people dem today and even so tey after some time dem no for even turn dem back for inside the office for sika only suspect wey dey suspect. But sabi say the chapter dem dey talk say preventive e better pass general hospital. So down for say make you chidon then something just hala gbash. Better all man e find him own road and na so to all man total confusion as we tori is tapie say e dey so na bomb wey e dey for inside. So na just the thing that wey pass inside Joseph Lay office. Sabi sef say even as we minister sef e be talk say e dey so na bomb. Other people them after yesterday now the thing this dikume make we enter for chapter 2. They talk they start talk say e dey so no be na bomb, say e dey so na some this inside this carton as we see am na carton that way the thing be there for inside it be comot for north. They say na that thing for insulin e be there for inside that carton as we dey talk say no be bomb again. But sabi sef say minister be don talk say e be the show like say na bomb wey they be wan use am for inside e office wey e no last work. So last we dey wait last talk for minister after the last talk say e dey so na insulin wey e be dey for the but sabi sef say whether na insulin or no be insulin, sabi say the thing e be cause confusion. All man e be run comot inside e office. We go remain for inside this chapter just now for take una go for Marua side. Wanna go sabi this aeroplane wey be make mistake time wey be one fly for air for sika say rain e be the fall for Marua. Aeroplane be fall, some cargo they be spoil and even some soldier people them they be get small cut. But just now Hercule C-130 e don turn up again back for a foot after the small accident wey e be happen for inside airport for place wey they call am say Marua. And just for sabi, my minister for college book, ma Paulina Lova Lyonga, e don nakam for table as we the talk just now. More than 5 work people them for inside back office, baccalaureate office for that side. So for Yawinde, they don't give them 3 moon casting go for Sika chapter say waiting. Now them say they make exam paper e be comot for social media. Sabi say ma Paulina Lova Lyonga time we be here and he see this exam paper for social media. He be only cancel that exam. He push am for another day. For Sika say they be one time say they be get for change question. Time wey be the one talk with Tory people them. He talk say no like for the comot for give casting go for people them. But when it happen, he must to comot from the time where that exam paper he be leak. Ma Paulina Lova Lyonga no be talk no nothing. He be only cancel the exam. Them they be change date where that exam be get for happen for baccalaureate people them. When a GCE for we French brother them. Just for sabi on top the chapter, ma Paulina Lova Lyonga, he start for make investigate with police. He make investigate with Konak people them and even antique people them. They join hand for make this investigate. When last he can show say na some particular people them for side the question necessary they come out. Now them begin hand for this question where he go for social media. So for now, they don't give them 3 moon casting go, 3 moon suspend as we to read the enter inside we ear. But plenty they the check say that 3 moon step it be over small for the casting go where they don't give them for them for sick as in a watching. Where they do am just now we go take una enter back for Boya country people them. They tell we say thief the way people they the thief inside Boya just now na different thing and even for taxi they the thief man inside taxi. So that one it don't make am where people themselves for inside Boya they the fear. Now for Sika wider way assistant mayor Oga Edward Mosoko e be she done with all the taxi syndicate people them. They did them 3 different association there for taxi for inside place where they call them say Boya. All them they should done for try for talk sense for see as well they so they fit for cash these thief people them. And one of the idea them where they don't bring and just now as well they meet up with all the president them for taxi people them for inside Boya. Now for say waiting all taxi people them must to get something where you go to identify them where when person enter for inside the motor they go sabi say yes this so and so person na taxi man inside Boya. Now they book them that way Oga Mayor don't produce and they talk say as well they go all taxi people them for Boya, they must to get that book so that they go use them for sabi the bad belle people them, where they can't thief people them for inside town, for that side, so for Boya. And they don't talk, even taxi where you no get number plates, when that same at own, sabi say they go pick them, throw them, for sake I say plenty of the taxi them, they know they come with number plates for their skin. We go here wait till the Secretary General says for inside the taxi union. He talk concerning the Ndonga men with the big with Deputy Mayor for inside Boya Council.
Security reason where I'm afraid on the own last finalists and say different people them they don't infiltrate our sector. Taxis from different regions they don't come here. They remove their number plates. They hide them, they struggle for putting a chassis number, they work with them, and by so doing so, they cause destruction inside our town. It just be like saying for your township taxi driver, they cause that destruction when they pick them from outside. So now why that we decide to make this symbolic badge for say, make all drivers for Boya to be identified by this badge. First of all, if you don't get that badge, nobody first work for inside town as of now, except you get that badge before you feel work with the oral necessary identification document then. But first, if you don't get that badge, you know, we first work like a taxi man to go in.
Oga Secretary General, before you go with the try for action now, when person enter for taxi, when person there for Boya, he enter for taxi, waiting be the thing where they advise that person for doing, so that if any confusion there, they go fit for catch the person.
Before you stand for road for break your taxi, as you the taxi they come, first look for the phone, you'll see a number plate there. You break the taxi, before you want to enter, for the doorway you want to open, you see door number. Then when you enter inside the taxi, you should look for your driving mirror, the badge, it go hang your identification badge for the badge, it get big number where they all write and for the from 000, and you get letter A or letter B or letter C, look the driver in name. If you even get on your phone, if you get something there for back, if you say sometimes you feel forget them, if you take a snap of that badge so that in case if you snap, you know how to trace the driver.
Good. You where you get here, open and find, so that when you enter for Boya, you follow up all that thing then, so that if you are in loss or if some person attack you, you go sabi say na so and so taxi where he help you. Now, as we talk, Oga Ebune Confiance na governor office with that for inside Boya country people them. Ebune Confiance he dey for under commandia for Chief Dr. Joseph Diongute where he enter for inside Boya this early morning time. Sabi say mission for Oga Ebune Confiance as well they come out. Now for Moyoka, it go country people them. They don't send me, say make it go see family for comfort where they be cutting eggs. Sabi say that video will be turned on for social media. I don't make them. All people them they cry on top that chapter. So now under order commander for Chief Dr. Joseph Diongute, where chief for cabinet SF, he don't enter roads. As so now the CM, he then a road for go for that side. So for Moyoka, waka for day. Now for fair meet up with the family for comfort. Number 2 for C the population already there. And for top for them, say make them no fear. All thing e go waka. So by tomorrow we go turn back on top the chapter. But just for Sabi, Oga Ebune Confiance, e dey for mission for talk Asia for family for comfort where they be cut in neck and he left for back. 2 picking them for that side. So for Moyoka, Southwest region. And just for Sabi to say so for inside this chapter for Northwest and Southwest, small time, na time for picking them for turn back for school. So DO them where they dey for all the place where they can they already start for do them work. This time we enter from Dop, now for that side, so for inside Bamenda, where Oga DO says they call it Kenemo Ate Michael. He don't meet up with some of the population them for that side, so for market. Now for the Oga Kenemo Michael, it be the talk for the population say to October where Ngomna don't talk say me picking the turn back for school. It beg the population say me they do all thing for CCD picking them they to turn back for school. And according to way talk, if picking they not to go school for go learn small book, they picking they go ever remain dull. And if they dull, they no go fit for help country as we country get for go for before by 2035. According to way headman for country says be take talk. But just so Sabi Oga Kenemo Michael, he don't promise say any picking where he go school fine, but the people that they want to stop the picking they say me they no go school. He says he don't prepare for them. He beg too. Say me people that way they dey for bush, make them come out say by October school it turn back in the proper full for that side. So for inside Dub for Northwest region, make we hear wait way Oga DO it be the preacham for that population for Dub.
Everything possible. More rise up like one man. Say make school effectively reopen for October. Because at the month that we government don't talk say school will reopen except say it change. People where picking not get education, now people will be lost. Better me picking even get a small education will be able to get that. Before maybe passive for go before. And he make a clarion call. Everybody, including even the people that they for say time nourish. To leave school, go on smooth. When I talk to them, because they talk say the voice of the people, not the voice of God. They talk about Latin, say vox populi, vox Dei. The people they woke up, they stand like one man.
Oga Kenemo Michael Ate, DO for Inside Top, will be the talk with the population under the same chapter for Norwest and Southwest, but for different level just now. Sabise na for sika the problem, where Oga Musunge sese, Peter Mafane Musunge be get a commission for bilingualism and multiculturalism, where they try for look inside our country, country people them, they talk the two official country talk them, when Queen Elisa and Emmanuel Macron country talk. So, they be home dongamen for this time for sika corona, or people they be there for their own side na video conference where they be get inside in Dongamen e be there na how for prepare as so they go start worker for ministry them for see whether the ministry then they bilingual na it mean say apart from say people they talk or they book them for inside that ministry when person we enter we no sabi for talk Queen Elisa country talk if he sabi for talk Emmanuel Macron country talk or maybe you know sabi for read Queen Emmanuel Macron country talk Queen Elisa own side too e dey so they don't plan am say they go start worker from ministry to ministry for try for see as well this bilingualism arrangement it happen. Sabi say na them one reason that where they be talk say may they come out, may they try for do their work so they go start turn for ministry them. Small time for try for check sense whether to true or man it respect the commander for say make country it get two official country talk and for say make one of the country talk it no beat the other one. So we stay wait for see where they go see inside the ministry them if they go tell we say yes ministry them they do so or they know they do so. Na palava for wait, this ndongamen na just for prepare. All the member them jamind as we wanna sabi for that side. We go come out for outside country just now for try for enter for different tori them. We enter for inside Belarus. Sabi say after we country people them for Belarus. They talk say lie to lie. This man he no fit continue for be their head boy for country. Last the president when they just come out for vote he don't talk for a country people them say agree say no go shit on again on top that chair. But he beg the population just now say make the population they wait make them do referendum when they finish do that referendum vote. Now that time where SSF go come out on top chair. So good Tory say after more than 2 or 3 days where it dey so the people then talk say they no want their president on top chair for say according to them na dictator na person wey want the talk I no want to say make different people then talk last president SSF he don't agree say he no go shit on again like president but he say make the do referendum first after that referendum before he go come out on top chair. Official, even as they just come up for voting, he never overtake for say make it done on top chair like president for that side so for Belarus. This other one now for inside India we will pick this video country people them as well police people then say for that side they turn for see as well they go help some woman on see that small picking now some man way they so he don't fall for na water he carry then he hold branch now so the aeroplane to come he can send something for see as well go fit for cash that a man way they for inside that water people they only turn up last the man he hold branch but Sabi say this aeroplane when a police people they get the last succeed for carry that man inside. Sabi say now the thing that way people that they get for the do if now for Africa now person for surely turn up he hold that branch so take water jo can bam he go down they go to say they no become quick but for they be they quick and on time for see say make person he no die. Now for inside India with that one he pass. Make we enter just now. Corona country people them according to where John Hopkins University giam inside the whole world according to number where they giam for corona sick people them 21,674,130 total people there they get the sick inside the whole world. People there they don't well 13,678,618 and people there they don't die for the whole world according to statistics we come up for John Hopkins University. We turn back for the Dikume, I never finish read that first one. Now 771,000 and how many people then get Dikume will turn back for the first photo. The first photo we show him as we would talk on top the chapter. Well, so we don't the jump, but we'll continue. We turn back for try for talk on top this chapter for Corona for Insider South. Well, we go take una, we enter for inside the newspaper, the only newspaper we did for we before, na Guardian Post, where they try for tell we this afternoon, say they so uniform people them, soldier, they don't show war for people them for that side, so for Moyoka, and now the innocent people them, where they don't suffer this palava for Kale, where they pass for inside Moyoka. You read Tori 2 for 16-year-old Pekin, where he killed his nephew for that side, so for Biwamba, now for 6 kilometers before you reach Biwambane for inside South region. Other Tori them day with the Guardian Post, he carry am for his skin concerning Fako lawyers them. You go fit for buy the Guardian Post for read am as we them say they talk. Make we see where to the pass for inside person. We get case of person we don't lost. Na some picking 10 years picking we don't lost country people them. Make we try for see photo for that picking we don't lost. The talk say it be come up for their family house for Bonaberry. Some picking we don't lost. We get the announcement for here. Now they picking that they calling Aponsen Shalom. 10 years old picking. So here it come up for their house on Monday, number 17 day for August, and no person no sabisa with this picking. It don't go. So just now, Ma Nkezi Joy, it the beg any man where you don't see this picking. Number for before tele 676-516-214 671-304-2, or you take it for gendarme them office for that side, so for Mabanda, or if you bring yourself for Equinox Story House, they say plenty dash it the way to. Tori don't finish this afternoon, country people them. We thank Francois Dikume, Malice, Varios, where they be there for backside for see us waiting that they work fine. If all thing work fine and Papa got agree, 8 o'clock we go meet up for Wednesday morning time. On a whole am tight.